Black diamonds, also known as Carbonado, are among the most mysterious and fascinating gemstones in the world. Unlike traditional diamonds, they have a dark, opaque appearance and a unique internal structure that sets them apart. What makes Carbonado even more intriguing is the theory that it may have originated from outer space, possibly formed during ancient meteorite impacts billions of years ago. Because of their unusual characteristics, identifying real black diamonds can be challenging. In this guide, you will learn how to test black diamonds Carbonado at home using simple tools and methods.
What is a black diamond Carbonado?
Carbonado is a rare type of polycrystalline diamond. This means it is made up of many tiny diamond crystals fused together. Key characteristics: black or dark grey colour, porous and rough texture, extremely tough and durable, found mainly in Brazil and Central Africa, contains traces of graphite and other minerals. Unlike regular diamonds, Carbonado does not have a transparent structure, which makes traditional testing methods less reliable.
Why is Carbonado linked to meteorites?
Some scientists believe that black diamonds formed in space and were brought to Earth by meteorites. This theory is based on the presence of unusual minerals, high levels of hydrogen inside the stone, their occurrence in ancient geological layers. Although this theory is still debated, it adds to the mystery and value of Carbonado diamonds. How to test black diamonds at home. Below are several practical tests you can perform at home. For best results, use multiple tests rather than relying on just one. 1. Scratch test. Diamond is the hardest natural material on Earth. How to do it? Try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. Results: scratches glass easily, could be a diamond. No scratch, likely fake. Note: some other materials can also scratch glass, so this test is not conclusive. 2. Fog test. This test checks thermal conductivity. How to do it? Breathe on the stone like you would on a mirror. Results: fog disappears instantly, likely real diamond. Fog stays for a few seconds, fake stone. Diamonds disperse heat quickly, so they don't stay foggy. 3. Water test, a simple density test. How to do it? Drop the stone into a glass of water. Results: sinks immediately, possible real diamond. Floats or sinks slowly, fake. 4. Magnification test. Use a magnifying glass or jeweler's loupe. What to look for? Real Carbonado, irregular surface, pores, rough structure. Fake stones, smooth, perfect uniform. Carbonado diamonds often look imperfect, which is actually a good sign. 5. Heat resistance test. Diamonds can withstand high temperatures. How to do it? Heat the stone carefully, then place it in cold water. Results: no damage, could be real. Cracks or breaks, fake. Be very careful with this test to avoid injury. 6. Weight and density test. Diamonds are relatively dense. How to do it? Compare the weight with another stone of similar size. Results: heavier, possible diamond. Lighter, likely fake. 7. Magnet test, special for Carbonado. Unlike regular diamonds, Carbonado may contain metallic inclusions. How to do it? Bring a magnet close to the stone. Results: slight attraction, could be Carbonado. No reaction, not necessarily fake. Common mistakes when testing black diamonds: relying on only one test, assuming all black stones are diamonds, ignoring the unique porous structure of Carbonado, using destructive methods without caution. When to seek professional testing. Home tests are useful, but they are not 100% accurate. For confirmation, consult a professional gemologist who can use thermal conductivity testers, microscopic analysis, spectroscopy equipment. Conclusion: testing black diamonds Carbonado at home is possible with simple tools and careful observation. While no single test can guarantee authenticity, combining multiple methods can give you a strong indication. Carbonado remains one of the most mysterious gemstones on Earth, possibly even connected to meteorites from outer space. Whether you are a collector or just curious, understanding how to test these stones can help you avoid fakes and appreciate their true value.